Morning everybody. Morning guys. We finished this big house. Now this house is at Daisy Hill and it's all finished. I'll give you a bit of a walkthrough and show you how it looks when it's finished. We're in the carport and we'll start from here. We've got the media room in behind here. We've got the front door finished. These doors are all finished. Looks brilliant. Now the tilers have been in and they've tiled. As you can see, they make a hell of a mess. This is all the tilers stuff. This has been put in, so that's all good. Tilers all finished. Sliders are in. Helmets are all on. Coming out into the extra area, all finished. That's how they finished their shelving off in the bathroom. This is the main bathroom, so this is how they're finishing off. There'll be a mirror there. We've got tiles that go right up there, so it all looks pretty good. I didn't have to come down as far as I did by the looks, but it's fine. The ceiling looks great. It's done in the wall paint. Coming out here, that's their finished product there. Owners have been in, put the air cons in. So that looks good. And the floor coverings aren't done. So what'll happen is when it's handed over, the floor coverings are then done by the owners. Kitchen's all finished. Got aircon in here. All the splashbacks are all done. Looks like the tiler still got a little bit there to do. Maybe he had the wrong tiles or something happened. Now this is the main bedroom area. Now the owners have come in and put these in. I wish they'd told me because I didn't have to paint these walls. But anyhow, they're all painted. Now whether they actually fit them on the walls or they'll know they've cut through, or whether they're going to mount them on the walls, I'm not sure. Same thing there. Who knows what they're going to do? Don't know. They don't exactly fit in good. They don't look that awesome at all. Ceilings and walls, same colour in here, looks brilliant. Tiles are up to the top of the door frames. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for tuning in on this video, on this house. We've got another couple of houses to do, or I've got another couple of houses to do. And so if you want to see more, just leave a comment, let me know, because I'm quite happy to do it. When I work by myself, I have a fair bit of free time up my sleeve. And yeah, I can do a video or two. Catch us later. Bye. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Bye.